So let's start with chapter number 4 of Maths 1, Financial Planning. In this chapter, we're going to learn about GST. G stand for goods, S stand for service, and T stand for tax. GST. There is a different types of the rate of GST. Zero rated, low rated, standard, first slab, standard, second slab, and highly rated. Rate of the GST is 0% for the goods and service. In the goods are essential commodities like food grain, fruits, vegetables, milk, salts, earthen pots, etc. Services, charitable trust activity, transports of water, use of roads, bridges, public library, agriculture, related services, education and healthcare service, etc. They come under the 0% of rate of GST. Then low rated is 5%, standard rated it is 1%, that is 12%, and standard rated first second slab is 18%. Okay, suppose you have to buy the computer, printer, monitor, CCTV, etc. So you have to pay 18% GST. Suppose we can take one example. Suppose the cost of one mobile phone 10,000 rupees. That is the MRP. Of that mobile phone. Now on that he has to pay the GST. Suppose the GST is 12%. So how much amount you have to pay to the shopkeeper? First we calculate the GST of that mobile phone. So how to calculate the amount of GST? So that is 10,000 12%. 12 upon 100. So this way we can do the calculation part. So that we get 1200 rupees. So how much amount he has to pay to the shopkeeper? Total amount you have to pay is 10,000. That is the MRP on that 12% GST. That is 1200 rupees. So you have to pay 11,200 rupees as the total amount. It is clear? So we continue with the next part. Now, you can see the different types of GST. CGST, SGST, UTGST, and IGST. CGST and SGST C means central GST, S means state GST, I it means integral GST, and UT it means union territory GST. What is central GST and state GST? Central goods service tax and states goods service tax. Now we know the central GST, it is equals to the state GST. If the total GST is equals to a 24%, so what the 24%, then what the central GST and state GST? So GST divided by 2, that is 24 divided by 2 is 12%. Both are equal. 12% central GST and 12% state GST. So this way we calculate the GST for central and state. Then the next part, start with practice set 4.1. Question number 1 is given there. Pawan Medical supplies the medicines. On some medicine, the rate of GST is 12%. So rate of GST is 12%. So what the rate of central GST and state GST? Rate of GST is 12%. Rate of central GST and rate of state GST. So rate of central GST and rate of state GST is equals to the rate of GST. As we know, both are equal. So as you add the CGST and SGST, so that equals to total GST. So the place of SGST be taken as CGST. So that is the 2 into rate of central GST, that equals to 12%. So there 12 divided by 2. So that you get the 6% of central GST and 6% of state GST. This way we completed our first one. Now second one. Here you can see the first one, as we completed, the rate of both GST is 6%. Now we start with second part. What the second one? On certain article of a rate of CGST is 9%, and then what is the rate of SGST? So if the CGST is 9%, it means SGST also 9%. It is clear because both are equal. Then what is the rate of GST then? So we add it, 9 plus 9. So what you get? You get a 18%. It means your final answer is 18%. That way we get the answer for the second part. Now we start with third one. What the third one? The real paint sold 2 tins. How many tins? 2 tins of luster paint, and taxable value is each tin, each means 1 tin, is rupees 2,800. And the rate of the GST is 28%. What you have to find out? Central GST, state GST. Okay. So first we calculate the total taxable value of two teams. One is 2,800. So that is multiplied with the 2, what do you get? 5,600. Now we know the rate of GST is 28%. So what the rate of central GST and what the rate of state GST? That is 28% divided by 2. So you get a 14%. So amount of central GST and amount of state GST, that is 14 upon 100 multiplied with total amount, that is 5,600. So here we cancel it. So 14 multiplied with the 56. So what do you get? 784. So it means the amount of central GST and amount of state GST is rupees 784. So is it clear to all of you, or still any doubt? You have any doubt, you can ask me. It is clear? So we continue with the next one. Now fourth one. In the fourth one, the taxable value of wristwatch belt is rupees 586. That is the cost of wristwatch belt. And GST is 18% on it. So what the price of the belt for the customer? What you have to do? You have to find the GST amount. That is 586. So 18%. So you have to find the GST amount first, amount of GST. So the 18 upon 100 into 586. So that is divided by 100 and multiply with the 18. So you get 105.48. Now price of the belt for the customer is equals to taxable value of wristwatch plus amount of GST. You added both, that is 586 plus 105. So you get a 691.48. The price of the belt for the customer is rupees 691.48. So this way we find out the answer for question number 4. Is it clear? Or still any doubt? No. Very good. Now the next part. Now fifth one. The total value with the GST of remote control is given over there of toy car is rupees 1,770 and rate of the GST is 18%. So what you have to find? You have to find the taxable value. Means the MRP of that remote control toy car you have to find out. And calculate the central GST and state GST. So what we assume? We assume the taxable value of the toy car is X rupees. And the rate of GST is 18%, it is given. The taxable value of the toy car plus amount of GST is rupees 1,770. So taxable value it is X, no? And amount of the GST, it is 18 upon 100 into X, okay? That equals to 1,770. So how we calculate? We do the cross multiple. So what we get? We get a 100x plus 18x, the whole upon 100. So it is 108 18x upon 100. So here we get 118 upon 100. So shift the 118 upon 100 this side. So what do you get? You get the 100 upon 118 into 1770. So this 1770 is cancelled with the 118. So you get a 15. And that 15 multiplied with the 100, you get a 1500. Now taxable value, that is MRP of the toy car, is 1500. So, and the rate of central GST and the rate of state GST, as we know, total GST is 18%. So we make it half of that. So what we get? We get a 9%. So the 9% of the taxable value, that is 9 upon 100 into 1500. So this cancel over here. 15 multiply with the 9, what do you get? You get a 135. Is it clear? I hope that it's clear to all of you. Okay. So we start with the next one, sixth one. Now, Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. So cost of AC supplied of rupees 51,200 with the GST, like a previous sum. It is including GST. The cost is 51,200. And the rate of central GST is given 14%. So if the rate of central GST, so state GST, it also same. It is 14%. So what the rate of total GST? 14 plus 14. It is 28%. Then taxable value that we consider as the X, no? So total value of AC and amount of GST is 51,200 is given. So that we consider as the X, no? And amount of GST is 28 upon 100 into X, that is 51,200. So as we know, we do the cross multiple, 100x plus 128x, that is 128x upon 100. So that you shift that side, so what do you get? You get x equals to 100 upon 128 multiply with 51,200. So there is cancel over there. So you get a 400. And 400 multiply with the 100 is 40,000. It means the MRP of the AC is 40,000 and with the included GST is 51,200. So what the total amount of the GST then? It is 51,200 minus 40,000. So what do you get? You get a 11,200. Now amount of total GST is 11,200. So what the amount of central GST and what the amount of state GST? That is both are half into GST. So 11,200 divided by 2. So what do you get? You get a 5,600. It means the total amount of GST is 11,200. Amount of central and state GST is 5,600 each. Is it clear? No? I hope that it is clear to all of you. You have still any doubt? No, no. That's good. Now we can start with next one. The last sum of the practice set 4 point. So last sum of this exercise, that is exercise which one? 4.1. Practice set 4.1. Now, what do you have to say? The Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount is 5%. Was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. So discount on 40,000. So first we find out the discount on the washing machine. So 5% of 40,000. So what do you get? You get a 2,000 rupees. So it means the taxable value of the washing machine is 40,000 minus 2,000. What do you get? 38,000. Now the GST charge was 28%. So we find the 28% of 38,000. That is the amount of GST. So here we cancel the terms. So 380 multiplied with the 28, what do you get? 10,640 rupees. That is the amount of GST on washing machine. Then find the purchase price of washing machine. Find the amount of central GST, state GST. So purchase price of washing machine. So taxable value is 38,000. Amount of GST is 10,640 rupees. So we added it. So we get the 48,640 rupees. That is your purchase price. Now amount of GST, that is the half of total GST. So total GST is 10,640 rupees. So half of the 10,640 rupees is 5,320 rupees. It means the amount of central GST and state GST is 5,320 rupees. Hope that it is clear to all of you. Or still any doubt? So the next part we start with 4.2. Hi student. So I hope that it is understand to all of you. Good. So what we can do now? The next part we start with the 4.2. Already government has omitted the 4.3 and 4.4. So in this chapter you have to study only 2 exercises for this academic year. Is it clear? Okay, then bye bye.